Good morning, all of you. My name is Ravina Vinod Doke from NIT Polytechnic, Nagpur, Electrical Branch Final Year student. My project colleagues is Saurabh Khutnare, Sandesh Kadu, and Anuradha Melvanshi. My project name is Solar and Wind Power Hybrid Electric Vehicle. Abstract. The hybrid electric vehicle is a step to reduce the use of fossil fuel. The principle of hybrid electric vehicle is used to different energy sources. Reliability of renewable energy source is less. To overcome this problem, we use solar panel, wind turbine, and wireless battery charger. Introduction. This project discusses about the use of solar energy, wind turbine, and wireless battery charger to drive the vehicle. An electric vehicle is pollution-free, but the battery charging is time-consuming. To overcome this problem, we use to install solar panel, wind turbine, and wireless battery charger to store the battery. The hybrid vehicle having the facility to charge the battery through plug-in charger and wireless charger. Energy which is stored in battery by using battery charger to drive the car.
We have seen our project course outcome. The CO first, our project will be the elaborate the working of hybrid electric vehicle. And the second course outcome will be analyze the use of different electric machine. And the third course outcome will be enhance the knowledge about hybrid electric vehicle. And the course outcome 4 will be enhance the knowledge about the principle of wireless car charger. We have seen our project CO versus PO mapping. These are the COs and these are the POs. PO first basic knowledge satisfy in our project high level, and the PO2 discipline knowledge satisfy in our project also high level. PO third experiment and practice satisfy low, medium and high level. PO4 engineering tools will satisfy in your project medium and high level. PO5 the engineering and society satisfy the project high, medium and low level. And the PO6 environment and sustainability satisfy in our project low level and high level. PO7 ethics will be satisfied in our project low level and medium level. PO8 individual and teamwork satisfy the medium and high level. The PO9 communication satisfy in our project medium level, low level and high level. And the PO10 lifelong learning satisfy in our project the medium level and high level. And we have seen the COs versus PSO mapping. These are the COs and these are PSOs. PSO first electrical equipment satisfy in our project high level, medium level and low level. And this PSO second electric power system satisfy in our project low level and high level.
This is the prototype model of our project. In this project we use two different energy sources to run the vehicle. That means hybrid of two different energy sources. We use a hybrid of solar and wind energy sources to drive the vehicle. First, when the sun rays strike on the solar panel, then it starts to generate power, and this power is utilized to charge the battery. When the car is in motion, the air is strike on wind turbine and start to rotate. The air is flow is like this, and it strike on wind turbine and it start to rotate. And this mechanical power is delivered to the DC generator, and this generator is generate the power and it store in battery. The power which is stored in battery is utilized to run the vehicle. That means the motor is powered by the energy which is stored in battery. Now we see how to run the vehicle. Now we see which component used in our project. We use 12 volt 1 watt solar panel. We use a DC generator of 12 volt. We use a 12 volt battery.
Now let's see the disadvantages of this project. The first is the hybrid are more expensive because which type of hybrid are used in this project. The cost of these hybrid are more, so that the hybrid are more expensive. And the second is the design of this project is more complicated. And the third is battery weight. The battery, which type of battery are used in this project, this more weight. Now we see the future scope of this project. This project is more beneficial in future if we are used, because in this project we will use the heavy vehicle like truck. The price of hybrid electric vehicle is reduced due to increase in production rate of hybrid electric vehicle. The efficient power of hybrid electric vehicle is increased in future. No, so the second, we can see the conclusion of this project. This project is more beneficial for future if we are used, because this project have much more advantages. The hybrid electric vehicle is a more eco-friendly economically than IC engine, because it's have a charging facility from renewable energy sources.